advise my two fowl, that's F-O-W-L, not F-O-U-L, studio assistants. You can chortle, chirp, cheep, even squawk if you want. Okay, we got sound in this camera, okay? Go for it. Not a chortle, not a cheep. I heard a faint cheep. Can we get some chortles, chirps, and cheeps? Thank you. Well, maybe they're taking an early nap. It's only 12:25. Traditional nap time for birds is at 3 o'clock. So I read once. AnneFrank. Okay, we're at 3 minutes. I got 30 more seconds if you want to chirp, 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 cheep, cheep, cheep. I don't sound like a bird like the way you guys sound. Guys, gals, boys, boydies, parakeets, budgies, budgie-wudgies, budgerigars, people, pets are people. All right, there you have it.